Alright, so my dad and Memory are building a house, and I want to put some Cat 6 cable in their house before they move in, so they'll have faster internet speeds. And therefore, so over here is the laundry room, and if you notice, we installed 10 drops of Cat 6 cable. You got 2 to each room. Now this is his office. He has a cable outlet here in the corner, which we've installed a Cat 6 cable and ran that the other day. Goes up the wall into that hole over there to the laundry room. Now back in the office, he also has 2 Cat 6 cables in here for internet and also for future use. Over here is a Cat 5e that they're now installing for, of course, telephones. Alright, now we go to Memory's room, and we got 2 drops all the way. Actually, we got 3 drops on that. 3 drops, 2 behind her desk, right there. And then in the corner is your cable TV with your Cat 6 cable that she's going to use for Netflix, Roku, Amazon Prime, you know, whatever. So that. All right, now we're in the kitchen living room area, and they informed me they're not going to put a TV up there. They're going to put a TV right there on the countertop. So I suggested running Cat 6 cable in here, and it goes up through that same hole, over through here to here. And there it is, guys, right there. Cat 6, 10 drops. All right, for whatever reason, I have decided to put Cat 6 cable into the garage, right next to their refrigerator. So that runs up through that hole, through there, into here, and down into the comm closet. I'm calling it a comm closet, not a laundry room no more.